Hey there, curious minds. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a world that existed before our beloved gadgets and gizmos took over. Yep, that's right, life before technology. Imagine this, no smartphones, no internet, not even electricity. You might think life was dull, but ancient civilizations were way more innovative than you might believe. Let's start with the Egyptians. They built the pyramids, massive structures that still baffle engineers today. No cranes, no modern tools, just sheer human ingenuity and teamwork. Then there were the Greeks and Romans. They had bustling cities with advanced plumbing systems, public baths, and even heated floors. Yes, heated floors. They didn't binge-watch shows on Netflix, but they had epic theaters, storytelling, and philosophical debates. Communication, no problem. People wrote on papyrus, carved messages into stone, and sent letters via carrier pigeons or messengers on horseback. Libraries were treasure troves of handwritten books, and scholars traveled great distances to share knowledge. All this without Google or Wikipedia. Now let's talk about wars. How did they fight without modern weapons? The bow and arrow was a game changer, allowing soldiers to strike from afar. Catapults could hurl giant stones to breach castle walls. And gunpowder, introduced in the Middle Ages, revolutionized warfare, making weapons more powerful. So was technology always a good thing? Well, technology is like a double-edged sword. It can be used for incredible advancements in medicine, farming and education, but also in warfare and destruction. The key is how we use it. Ancient civilizations thrived through creativity, hard work, and a deep sense of community. They didn't have the tech we do, but they laid the foundations for our modern world. And guess what? Even today, the human mind remains the most powerful tool we have. So, next time you scroll through your phone or binge watch a series, remember the incredible journey humanity has taken. Technology is fantastic, but it's our minds and how we choose to use it that truly makes a difference. That's it for today, explorers. If you enjoyed this trip through time, smash that like button. Subscribe for more awesome content, and let me know in the comments what ancient invention you find the coolest. Until next time, stay curious. Bye for now.